Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how you can go ahead and fix having high ping in a Valorant. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so we don't miss a single detail. Now, there are a few things that we can go ahead and do to sort out our high ping in Valorant. The first thing that we would need to do is to, of course, go ahead and check your internet connection. So sometimes if we are overloaded with many connections, then we are competing with the usage of the internet. So how do we go ahead and fix that? Well, first thing is to go ahead and access your internet and make sure to go ahead and remove any unused connections. Another thing that we can go ahead and do is to go ahead and use an Ethernet cable. So an Ethernet cable allows us to directly physically connect our device to the router itself. And another thing that we can go ahead and do is to just go ahead and remove any running apps in the background that may be competing with your network connection. So to do that, all we need to do is to just go right here on the taskbar on the bottom, right click on this, and you should be able to see Task Manager. So go ahead and open this up. Now, if you want to go ahead and use Valorant solely on its own, go right on ahead and remove the apps that are competing or has a high network usage. And to close something off, then all you need to do is to go right on ahead and hover over that app, right click on it, and then just go ahead and click on End Task. This will go ahead and remove the app itself. So go ahead and remove any of those that may be competing quite a lot with your Valorant game. Another thing that we can go ahead and do is within Valorant itself, when you are playing games, you're able to go ahead and select a specific server location. So go right on ahead and use the one that is closest to your current location. So say for example, if you are in Europe, then go ahead and make sure that you're using the Europe server. If you use, say for example, Asia server, then you will have a higher ping. Another thing that we can go ahead and do is to go ahead and update your network drivers. So all you need to do is to go ahead and access your device manager. So to access this, all you need to do is to just search on your search box and then type in device manager, and you should be able to see something like this. Hover over the network adapter section and then open this up, and then just go right on ahead and update all of these individual network adapters. So say for example, let's use this one right here. Go right on ahead and right click and then click on update driver, and then search automatically for drivers right here. If you have the updated driver, you should be able to see something like this. If you haven't, then just go right on ahead and update your network drivers. So do make sure to do this on every single one right here, because these are the ones that is being used for your network. And another thing that we can go ahead and do is to take a look at this site right here, which is called status.ryangames.com, which gives us a status of the current service. So load up this website and then click on continue. And then if we scroll down, go ahead and choose the Valorant game, where we can go ahead and choose our region. So say for example, let's choose Asia Pacific right here. Then click on continue. If there are any issues with the servers themselves, you should be able to see them right here. Again, let's say for example, let's go to Korea. You should see some form of reports right here if there are any issues on their site. And finally, go ahead and check with your internet service provider if this is one of the issues. So say for example, there is a service engineer who is currently dealing with your network connections, then you should be able to go ahead and check this status, which may be causing your high ping. And there you are. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.